I will send. Weekly test, Monday to Friday, at 100 per month. For more details WhatsApp. WhatsApp. +91 89405 69789. English Major Topics 10 marks. PGTRB Psychology Test. In English, 5 marks. PGTRB GK 5 marks. In English, blank. 20 marks. Blank. PGTRB English Unit IX related to language, linguistics, and pedagogy, 30 MCQs based set of MCQ questions. Unit IX, language, linguistics, and pedagogy. The Indo-European family of languages includes which of the following? A. Mandarin. B. Sanskrit. C. Swahili. D. Japanese. Answer. B. Sanskrit. Which period does Middle English refer to? A. 500, 1000 AD. B. 1066, 1500 AD. C. 1500, 1800 AD. D. After 1800 AD. Answer. B. 1066, 1500 AD. Who among the following significantly influenced the English language through literary works? A. Shakespeare. B. Homer. C. Cervantes. D. Goethe. Answer. A. Shakespeare. Which of these is not a characteristic of modern English? A. Spelling reform. B. Latin-based vocabulary. C. Loss of inflections. D. Fixed word order. Answer. B. Latin-based vocabulary. The change in meaning of words over time is called A. Morphology. B. Semantics. C. Syntax. D. Phonology. Answer. B. Semantics. Phonetics is concerned with the study of A. Word formation. B. Sound production. C. Sentence structure. D. Meaning. Answer. B. Sound production. Which of the following refers to the smallest unit of meaning in a language? A. Phoneme. B. Morpheme. C. Grapheme. D. Syllable. Answer. B. Morpheme. An idiolect refers to A. The speech habits of a group. B. The dialect of a particular region. C. The language variety of an individual. D. The standard form of a language. Answer. C. The language variety of an individual. Which linguistic theory focuses on deep and surface structure in sentences? A. Traditional grammar. B. Transformational grammar. C. Descriptive grammar. D. Prescriptive grammar. Answer. B. Transformational grammar. Which of the following focuses on the application of linguistic theory to solve real-world problems? A. Descriptive linguistics. B. Historical linguistics. C. Applied linguistics. D. Generative linguistics. Answer. C. Applied linguistics. The earliest form of English is known as A. Old English. B. Middle English. C. Modern English. D. Contemporary English. Answer. A. Old English. Shakespeare's contribution to the English language was in terms of A. Phonetics. B. Vocabulary enrichment. C. Grammar rules. D. Spelling reform. Answer. B. Vocabulary enrichment. Which linguistic component deals with the structure of words? A. Phonetics. B. Morphology. C. Semantics. D. Syntax. Answer. B. Morphology. The place of English in the Indo-European family is primarily in the A. Slavic branch. B. Germanic branch. C. Celtic branch. D. Romance branch. Answer. B. Germanic branch. The study of sounds used in human speech is called A. Syntax. B. Phonetics. C. Semantics. D. Pragmatics. Answer. B. Phonetics. A dialect refers to A. A variation in a language used by a specific group. B. The standard form of a language. C. An individual's unique way of speaking. D. The formal rules of a language. Answer. A. A variation in a language used by a specific group. Shakespeare's influence on modern English includes A. Coining new words. B. Developing new grammar rules. C. Creating new phonetic sounds. D. Introducing foreign alphabets. Answer. A. Coining new words. D. Structure in a sentence refers to A. The actual words spoken or written. B. The underlying meaning or idea. C. The literal interpretation. D. The phonetic pronunciation. Answer. B. The underlying meaning or idea. Which of the following is an example of a vowel sound in phonetics? A. T. B. S. C. I. D. D. Answer. C. I. The Bible's influence on the English language was largely in terms of A. Syntax. B. Vocabulary. C. Phonetics. D. Grammar. Answer. B. Vocabulary. Which grammar approach is associated with Noam Chomsky? A. Prescriptive grammar. B. Descriptive grammar. C. Transformational grammar. D. Traditional grammar. Answer. C. Transformational grammar. The English lexicon refers to A. The rules of sentence structure. B. The set of words in the English language. C. The phonetic sounds used in English. D. The historical changes in spelling. Answer. B. The set of words in the English language. Which of the following is a component of English phonology? A. Semantics. B. Syntax. C. Vowels and consonants. D. Word formation. Answer. C. Vowels and consonants. The influence of foreign languages on English primarily results in A. Changes in syntax. B. Vocabulary expansion. C. Phonetic variation. D. Decreased linguistic complexity. Answer. B. Vocabulary expansion. Dr. Johnson is best known for his contribution to A. Spelling reform. B. Writing the first English dictionary. C. Developing new phonetic symbols. D. Creating grammar rules. Answer. B. Writing the first English dictionary. English teaching methodology that focuses on interaction is called A. Grammar translation method. B. Audiolingual method. C. Communicative language teaching. D. Silent way. Answer. C. Communicative language teaching. Language testing is primarily used to assess A. Grammatical accuracy only. B. Reading and writing skills exclusively. C. Language proficiency in all skills. D. Knowledge of phonetics. Answer. C. Language proficiency in all skills. Syllabus design for language teaching often includes A. Only vocabulary lists. B. Grammatical rules and reading exercises. C. A combination of grammar, skills, and content. D. Phonetic transcription exercises exclusively. Answer. C. A combination of grammar, skills, and content. Which of the following is an aspect of second language acquisition? A. Natural order of learning. B. Immediate fluency. C. Lack of grammatical errors. D. Focus only on vocabulary. Answer. A. Natural order of learning. Applied linguistics is closely related to A. Theoretical language studies. B. Practical solutions in language teaching. C. Historical changes in language. D. Formal grammar rules. Answer. B. Practical solutions in language teaching. Please to see the downside, or scroll down the page. We are providing all major weekly test batch at 100, join now. And we are providing all kinds of school, project, teaching aids, record, writing work for all degree members. If you need this service, text me. All kinds of government job requirement exam, the question bank at very low cost. We are providing all competitive exam MCQ bank at low cost. If you worried about psychology part marks in all teachers requirement exam means, don't worry. I will give. For PGTRB, UGTRB, CTET, TNTET, KTET all kinds of teachers requirement exam in SK Mangal educational psychology book based only, most of the MCQs are coming. So if you needed this book oriented MCQ bank at low cost means, call now. If you want to get success in PGTRB English major means test practice is must. So we are giving question bank for all major at Rs. 1000 only. PGTRB All Major Question Bank at Low Cost Hours. 1000 Only UGTRB All Major Question Bank at Low Cost Hours. 1000 Only PGTRB Polytechnic All Major Question Bank at Low Cost Hours. 1000 Only CTET Paper 1 and 2 All Major Question Bank at Low Cost Hours. 1000 Only for all major weekly test PDF will send. This service cost only 100 rupees per month. Call now. If you want model PDF. Text me or call me, I will send. Thank you.